on, we're on. Good morning, boys and girls. We are at the beach with Sammy again.
Woohoo!
Ready to catch some fish?
Catching some fish.
Let's do it. Well, get all the way out to the beach, and look what I forgot. Forgot some of my gear in the truck. And we're gonna make a nice little journey back.
We call him Bob.
Oh, Bob?
Bob the bird.
Hey, you're not Fred.
We got Bob here today.
Bob.
He's gonna try to steal all of our fish.
That happens.
Bob, you want something? Are you ready for your morning snack? Oh, come on. Come on.
There we go. Yeah, baby. No way.
Jack or Pompano?
Haha.
Jack, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. You get a nice fish.
What happened? Yeah. Can I go up and around you and
Definitely.
get to the
Come on
beach?
over, get some height on that.
Good hook set.
I want to go, huh? Wait for a second.
Hey, you gonna let me hold your snook and let me get a photo with it?
Absolutely. You're Snook now, man. You were persistent. That's the biggest one I've ever seen on my line. That?
There you go.
Yeah.
We'll call that one a group effort.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch out for those spines.
They're for moral support.
Well, what's your name?
Gil,
Where are you
Yeah.
from?
Michigan.
Well, this is what we call a group effort. Let's go ahead and put her back in the water.
Wait, I want a picture.
Oh, you didn't get a picture yet? You're a nice guy. You're letting everybody take a picture with your fish.
Hey, it was a group effort. You said it.
Woo!
What kind of fish is that? That's a
Get up.
Snook.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
There she goes.
Woohoo!
Nice one.
Nice, good size. All right.
well done.
Oh, I got a fish on over there. Sammy, reel it in. Oh yeah, we're on. Oh, yeah, buddy. It was a shark. Well, total bummer. Just had a shark on. Missed it. Look at that.
I have a friend. This is what you should be videoing. You get in this guy behind me.
Oh, Fred? We all know Fred. He'll be your buddy. Fred likes free treats.
Free treats.
Ready?
Yep.
You and Fred are gonna be good friends now.
Oh, all the way in his throat. Done. We'd like another.
You catch that big one yet?
No? Had one jump by it.
What's going on?
Alright, what you thinking?
I think it's time to catch a fish.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with shark was chewing on this.
Alright, so fishing was fun. We had fun. You have fun, Don?
Yeah, you know, you caught the most fish.
Yeah, I sure did. I was winning, yay! Hard to get them in though. Get them in the cooler. They're not in unless they're in the cooler.